Meanwhile, over the other side of the kitchen, I'm doing the dessert. So I have got some of these Morrison's Best Meringue Nests. I think they're still 2.5 sins a meringue nest, and which I'll check. And in the centre hole, in the little middle hole, I have put a tablespoon of lemon curd, and on top of that is a teaspoon of chocolate. So this is the one I have used. So that's 13 calories for a teaspoon, so that's just over half a sin. The lemon curd is 2.5 sins for a tablespoon, and the meringues are 2.5 sins. So that's 2.5, 5 at 5.5 sins so far. And now on the top of that, I'm going to put something very creamy. So here is the finished dessert. And so on top of the chocolate spoonful, I put some squirty light cream, and then I have drizzled over the top a little bit more chocolate. You cannot have enough chocolate. So there's a couple of beautiful little desserts. Look at that. So that's lemon and chocolate meringue.